What up, guys? So today might be the day, man. I might let the M3 go. You see I'm bumping that BBL Drizzy. But today's the day. I got a potential buyer. Gonna see if he's gonna cash me out. I love this car, everything about it, and we're gonna see if he buys it. All right, guys. Goodbye to the M3. I had this for about 6-7 months. Badass car. Love this car. Had a carbon roof. Red guts. Beautiful color. Custom headlights. Lowered on H&R springs / coils. Had charge pipes and intakes. But the car is beautiful, man. It's sad to see it go, but sometimes you just gotta do things, you know. And stay tuned. I sold this shit and we're gonna build something else. What up, guys? So the M3 is sold. You know, I'm building the Jeep right now, the 09, and I got the Coyote truck, but we're not gonna do much to the Coyote truck. We're just gonna lower it and color match it, and that's pretty much it for the truck, you know what I'm saying? And then me and my brother are working on this Evo X. I don't know much about it, but I know basically this is basically what kind of got me into cars. Him and my brother and my cousin, the Jeep, the Pro Charge one that I posted a lot. So when I was in high school, my brother had this. This shit was fucking fast as fuck. I'm not sure how much power it would make or anything, but it was fast as fuck. He was taking out C6s, Z06 that were boosted. And this is like one of the fastest cars that I was been when I was like 16, 15. I was young as fuck. I'm still pretty young, but I'm old as fuck now, but still pretty young. And it's been chilling here for a long time. I'm not gonna lie, I had a old coworker said he did good work, but obviously not. There's like a lot of imperfections in the paint. Anyways, long story short, I'm gonna help me and my brother are gonna bring it back to life. It's been sitting for a long time. This was the original color right here, and he wanted an OBM blue. That's off of CTSV for people that don't know. And we're gonna get this thing going, man. I've told my brother for a long time, like, no, we're gonna get it going. But I'm being for real this time. Once I'm done with the Jeep, we're gonna start working on that shit. Let me pop it. I told him I want to do a full carbon fiber Evo X. I know back in the day they sold a roof, but I've been looking online, and they don't sell the carbon roof no more. So I'm probably gonna have to talk to my brother, see what color he wants to do. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do this together. But yeah, this person did a shitty job. Look at this. Horrible, you know, but it's all good, man. It's like I told my brother, you know, he wanted you know, shit happens. You take the L sometimes you take an L in life, but it's all good, you know, you bounce back harder. But this is it for people that love Evos. We're gonna get this thing going. I don't know exactly what he has done. If he was here, he would tell you, but I'm kind of gonna just start recording on a couple things on this. But yeah, so this is the engine bay. I know it has bigger turbo and shit, and shit like that, but I don't know. I'm not too sure. I don't know shit about Evos, but a little bit of carbons. It's just been chilling here, so look at this shit. But this is the interior. It's been sitting for a long time, guys, long time. But I promise I put that on everything. We can get this bitch going again. I told my brother I'm gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. I put that on everything. This is the year. So we're gonna do a lot of carbon fiber. We got a hood, trunk, mirrors. What else? Side skirts. We got a lot of carbon fiber. We've been ordering. I ordered a lot of carbon fiber. He's had carbon fiber, so we're just gonna mix everything. We're gonna get new wheels. We're not gonna put bags. We won't fuck with bags no more. Bags are kind of gay to be honest. Like, I know a lot of people love bags, but I had bags on my 300, bags on the WK2, and they're not bad, but they're just high maintenance, you know. And I know this is not like a car that's gonna be driven a lot, but we won't fuck with bags no more. We fuck with static. So yeah, this is it. So I sold the M3, and this is what we're gonna work on now. This is the new project. So we're gonna do custom headlights as well. We're gonna get rid of those. I'm gonna have to pull out the carbon fiber and do some carbon fiber myself on some of these things, but we're gonna get the build going. So stay tuned. Once I'm done with the Jeep, it's game time.